Now, before we can publish our store, there's a couple things that we need to do in our settings tab. To get there, go to the bottom here and click on settings. You'll want to start by configuring your store details. You'll have to input your phone number, your email address, and your billing address. Once you've done that, go over to payments here on the left-hand side. Here, you'll have to choose between Shopify payments and the default option, which is PayPal payments. I highly recommend going with Shopify payments. This checkout method converts way better in my opinion, and customers really prefer it. So go through the account setup process and set up Shopify payments on your store. Next, let's click on shipping and delivery here on the left-hand side. Here you can manage where you ship and how much you're charging for shipping. Click into your general shipping rates here. And you can configure your shipping based on products. You have your fulfillment location, your shipping zones for both domestic and international. Depending on what you're selling, where you're selling it to, you can configure everything here in the shipping and delivery tab. Let's go back here. Next, we'll click on taxes and duties. Here within taxes and duties, you'll want to make sure that you're properly collecting taxes based on the regions that you're shipping to. If you're unsure about this, you can speak with a tax professional and make sure that everything here is aligned with your business properly. Next, on the left-hand side, let's go into domains. Here, you can either buy a domain from Shopify or connect an existing domain. If you don't have one already, I would recommend buying a domain through Shopify because it's just way easier to set up. To do that, click on Buy New Domain. And then I can find a domain for my store. For example, here I could go with maxwellclothing.store. Then I'll click on search to see if it's available. And it's available for $9 for the first year. And when I buy this domain, Shopify is going to automatically connect everything for me. In my experience, this is usually done within a few minutes to just about an hour. The last thing we'll want to do here is go to languages on the left-hand side. Now within the languages tab, you're able to translate your store's content to different languages. Depending on which regions you're selling your products to, I would highly recommend going through this step because it actually increases your store's conversion rate in those countries by 13%. So it is certainly worth doing this step.